just turned the guitar on. They're testing everything now.
That's kind of cool that we can hear the sound check. But they haven't done the vocals yet.
No.
Is this a Prince tune too?
I don't know. I don't recognize this.
Totally. This is a Prince song.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely going to do a tribute.
Man, who's playing guitar?
This show's going to be the bomb.
Yeah.
Someone's got the little "Oh Sheila." Oh Sheila.
But you know that wasn't Prince.
Right.
That was this Prince wannabe guy.
Right.
And that was his only hit.
Right.
And it was clearly a Prince ripoff. Right down to his look and everything.
Right.
So I guess Kool and the Gang's gonna come on and sound check after this.
Probably. What time is it?
About 23 after 5.
God, so we got a couple hours. I could sit right here for 2 hours. This is where it is happening for the tailgate. Doesn't get much better than that.
Just like Rob Walker's backyard.
Just like Rob Walker's backyard. Sounds like Mr. Rogers just said that.
Except you got the time. Except you got the time in your backyard.
It's gonna be a great show. And the temperature's gonna be perfect. Like 60 at 8 o'clock. 70.
Where's Parliament playing again? Lynchburg? It's an hour away.
Madison Heights. Madison Heights is just
What are the tickets?
$10. Yeah.
No, man.
You know what? If it's not fun, it's not fun. $10. I don't know. It's not fun. That is where the sound check is happening, right there. Right over there.
Hallelujah. Oh, to the bear. It's like, what?
You know they're gonna do it.
Oh, yeah. I hope they do some of the other songs that, like on Pandemonium.
Oh yeah, totally.
God, Pandemonium's. I like Ice Cream Castles a lot. But I like Pandemonium a lot. Because it's more, they let Jesse play more hard rock guitar.
Right. Walker has left the building. I'm taking a picture of your empty chair. I said Rob Walker has left the building. There's some cookies there too.
Oh, this is a new one.
Have another beer. All right, so much for that sound check.